Good day. Today we're going to be making Tamagoyaki, which is a Japanese rolled omelette, using items available at Sincere, such as a rectangular pan known as a makiyaki nabe, a yakinori, which is dried seaweed, mirin, which is a sweetened form of rice wine known as sake, sesame seeds, locally found ingredients such as bok choy, poi bhaji, pimento, and locally farmed eggs. Finely chopped our poi bhaji, our bok choy, a half of a very small onion, as well as half of our pimento. So whisk and strain your eggs. Okay, so now adding all chopped ingredients in, and then whisking. Adding 3 tablespoons of chicken stock, as well as a teaspoon of mirin. Pour into your well-heated makiyaki nabe pan. Let cook for a few seconds. Roast sesame seeds for garnish. Adding 1 sheet of nori to your pan, letting it shrink to fit. And then starting from the handle edge first, slowly pick up from the bottom of the pan and roll. Allow to cool, then cut into short pieces. Then you can garnish on a platter and enjoy. Well, happy eating.